As 2020 comes to an end, I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for sharing with me in the joys of working with your hands on vintage machinery and woodworking projects. Thank you for your comments, ideas, suggestions, and questions. I've learned a lot from this growing community of folks and have received emails from many of you each week as we've found solutions together to fix your machines, to troubleshoot motors, or to track down specific parts. I've been reflecting on this throughout the year. What is it about making things and restoring things that so many of us find so meaningful? How is it that a bunch of strangers will email me with pictures and questions about classic woodworking machinery? Why do we want to bring these old machines back to life anyway? Well, I wrote an article about this topic and was honored to have it published at Front Porch Republic. It's entitled The Allure of Old Tools and Vintage Machinery: Memory, Meaning, and Making. I wanted to share it with you, in case you are interested, and as something fitting for the holidays when we tend to reflect on family and on life. I've put the link to the article below, and hope you'd enjoy it. Blessings on your holidays, and looking forward to what 2021 holds. Thanks for watching and sharing your experiences.